Ayan, magandang umaga sa lahat. Marami tayong rice cooker Rabbit brand. Ayan, pinakamura natin is 750 brand new unit po ha. Kapag minimum 3 pieces, may less 10% po tayo sa lahat ng Rabbit brand. Ayan, meron din tayo welding machine, 350 amperes mine, 1,800 po. At sa 450 amperes naman, bigay natin ng 2,000. 250 amperes, 1,2. At meron tayong Samsung refrigerator. Oh. Ayan, ang laki. Grabe, galing mall yan ha, mga mall pull out Samsung. At grass cutter na Ryobi, curve shop, 2-stroke. Ayan, 2.5 na lang, straight shop, 3.5. Ayan, mga trucks ng stepping, 150. Pag dalawa po binili is 250. At mga sandals natin, 100. Water pump, 2-stroke, 3.5 with hose. Cut off naman, 3.8. At sliding miter saw is 7.5. Ayan, electric hoist natin is 7,500. Ayan, may miter saw, 5.5. Sliding miter saw, 7.5 at 6.5. Riodel demolition, 5,500 at vacuum cleaner na Angko, 1,500 na lang. Ay, grabe ka mura, oh.